Hello everybody, welcome to Nails of Interest. I hope you're doing good out there today. If you're new here, please hit subscribe down below. You'll be able to find me again, and then you hit the little bell next to it and put all as your choice. It'll notify you of my future uploads. I know for repeated visitors this is like repetitive, but I really didn't know about doing that when I first was watching YouTube videos. Many people don't understand it's completely free. It'll say something about making a channel, but you don't have to upload, you don't have to do anything. It's just making an account, a free account. But anyways, today's video is about Born Pretty. This is a gel polish they sent me, and this is the new packaging. I've already apparently cracked the seal. The seal is shrunk on here so tight, couldn't even get into this to grab a hold of it with anything. So I had to get some scissors out and cut it through here. And now the labels on the back. I really don't like this Born Pretty. If you do like this, have something where we can easily grab, because most of us have nails or trying to have nails, and if you're using that, just have a little pull tab or a spot we can stick a cuticle tool in or something. I couldn't get a cuticle tool in here anywhere. There's a little air pocket here, so I just poked with the cuticle tool. But anyways, and the labels are on the plastic now instead of on the bottle. And I have another color here I'll show you real quick. I'm probably going to swatch this one out. This one's their color number 120. This one's called Overjoyed. It's BPCHS 120. Black, I would assume, with the colors in it. I don't really remember. And this one is a see-through one. It's really cool. And I'll have the item number up. I believe it's going to be 49772. I like the QR codes, that's nice, except when you get it off of the plastic and you tape it here, you tend to lose some of the clarity. So Born Pretty, please put it back on the bottle. I would like it right here versus down here, but when it was down here I could at least stick it right here. So please go back to that and have some kind of pull tab we can easily, or a little spot we can just, you know, some packages used to have like a little bubble or something, you could just pop a tool in it and get it off. This was a nightmare to open, but it's loosened up since I opened that. It's a clear cat eye gel. It's like silvery, and I'll put their Born Pretty's artistic image up on the screen of what they did. And I'm going to use this over several colors, just giving it a play, because this one isn't necessarily for use just over black. They show it in a gorgeous silver design. This is over like a little ivory color from one of my Model 1's collections. And then you just play, if you want a magnet, you can play with either end of it and make some cool effects. And then you would go ahead and cure this right away. And real quick, I'm just going to show you what it would look like just over a natural color nail with one coat. Let's hope if I got some on my brush. So it'd be this beautiful light effect. I really dig this. You can do all sorts of things with it. Play with your tool. Bring it back out. I really like that. I honestly like it without any color underneath. But if you just didn't want your free edge showing, you could do some color that's natural for you. It's just all in the play. And then usually to just reset the color, you can just swipe it again. Didn't like how you did your magnet? Just swipe it again. There's nothing much to that. And if you don't like what you did, just wipe it off with some alcohol. All gone. So back to my color. This is like an ivory. I'll try to link some of the color sets up above, or the base colors from. There's always video suggestions above and at the end of the video, so pay attention to that. Once I did a surprise video with a giveaway in it, and not one person saw it. So there could be giveaways up there in the upper right corner. There's a little eye. If you're on the app, just tap the screen and you'll see the videos immediately. And then, well, if you forget which way you did it, you're kind of making do with what you did. don't like that. So I'm just gonna swipe it again, reset the little magnetic GUIs. I'm really liking it just by itself the best so far. And then you would cure it again in your lamp. Now this is actually a dip powder nail. You can use gel polish over a dip powder nail. There's not a problem. So say you're wearing a color for a few days and you just want to mix it up a little bit, because these are intended to wear, you know, a month. Up to a month. So you could just apply a color right over it. This one I'm probably going to just do one coat. I'm not sure yet. You could just use it as a metallic. I mean, I find that quite stunning just like that. You could do one nail, several nails, do a pattern on there. Or you can get out a magnet and have a little play. You don't actually touch it. You just get real close to it like this. And then if you let it set, the magnet properties, you know how magnets are, it'll just go away. But look at that swirl. I like that. So you cure it right away in your lamp to keep the pattern that you like. I believe this one's also another dip powder. Yeah, this is a dip powder nail. I'm just trying it over several colors because they made a gorgeous set with gold on it. I'll put the picture up as well. They pretty much like disappeared on that nail. Let me see if I reset it. I'll try it with the other way. The colors are so close in value that it almost disappears when you do the magnet, because the magnet kind of gets rid of some of your colors. So you can make it almost all go away. To me, there's like a real nighttime little starry effect in there. If you're real good, you can get your magnet to pull it back out as well. I'm not real good with it. I mean, I just rather reset it this way. So how about we just leave one as silver? I want to try it over a purple. I wonder what I do if I put the magnet straight in the middle. That's a cool effect. I'm gonna cure that. Then I know Halloween's coming up. Everybody's gonna want to get into the orange. Get out their oranges. So let's just see what it would look like over orange. This one, I think I'm gonna try to just give it a good coat, cure it, and come back and do the cat eye and see what it looks like. Let's try just getting a little bit more of the silver color down. That way there's a little bit of silver over all of the orange, terracotta kind of color. And then we'll try to do the cat eye. It just changes when you move your finger around. The effect just changes so much. So just take your magnet, put it really close, but not touching, and you get the cat eye effect. And this is the Born Pretty 120. This is gonna be cool probably for Halloween. Look, HOLO in black. You get this one. Oops, didn't have nothing hardly on my brush. And with gel polishes, you kind of just don't even touch the surface of the nail with the brush. But some of us tend to just do that because we're used to nail polish. And, you know, we're filming, we get crazy. I would give this one coat and then I would do the cat eye probably. But you know, gotta play. Let's see. My bad, this one's not a magnetic. This one's just a gorgeous black. So let me give this a second coat. Second coat going on. Oh, this would be gorgeous. I know quite a few ladies that love black and HOLO. especially Halloween time. Oh, give this a cure again. I'm gonna have to kind of hold this one for a few seconds in the lamp till it flash cures on it. Oh, rats accidentally grabbed their matte top coat. You can see what they look like matted out. And I really want them shiny, so I'm gonna put shiny top coat over them. I can't believe I grabbed the matte top coat. Well, to give you a chance to see what they look like matte. Yeah, I grabbed the matte. So you can see where I need it top coated anyways because I ran the glue gel over. And this one I matte top coated as well. So you get a sneak preview of what they would look like matted in all these various colors. And I will put a glossy top coat on there, cure them all. That's an unusual effect. The matte top coat, this was their You Are Sugar brand. Oh. Was this one. So now I gotta get out the glossy and I'll do that as well, and I'll take some pictures of all of these of my creations using their cat eye gel over top of various colors with just a little embellishments, and then their color coat 120. I'll put a clear glossy top coat over there so you can really see the sparkles. Thank you everyone for being here with me today. I really appreciate it. Thank you, Born Pretty, for the beautiful gel. Have a great day, everyone. Till next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.